Welcome to the installation and activation tutorial on Android for Bible verses and quotes. Now, the first step to take to enable Bible verses and quotes is to tap on the first step button. Then this is going to take you to the keyboard's settings. Once there, you're going to enable Bible verses and quotes and tap OK. Tap OK again and return to your tutorial screen. The second step is to tap on Select Bible Verses and Quotes button and select your new install keyboard, Bible Verses and Quotes. To finish your installation, tap on the third step button and now search for your favorite Bible quote using your keyboard. Tap the magnifier button and select your desired verse from the list of results. You have successfully used Bible Verses and Quotes keyboard app. Now, you can open any app and select Bible Verses and Quotes keyboard by long pressing the globe icon on the bottom left of the screen. This is a great way to share Bible verses on social media, WhatsApp, text messages, etc.